How's it going? It's Dean from LazyLife Productions, and in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 tools that you're going to use the most when using Davinci Resolve. This is it. The first tool which you're going to use the most of is the selection tool, which is this icon right here. The shortcut for the keyboard is A, and you use this tool to move your assets around. The second most important tool you'll be using is the cut tool. This is what you use to cut up your footage. So the icon is right here, or the keyboard shortcut is B. And then this is what you use to make cuts in your footage. And then you'll cycle between A and B, which is your selection tool and your razor tool to cut and edit footage. And the last tool, you could call it, is the ripple delete. So if you've made a cut in the footage and you've now got a gap and you don't want to just drag and click like this, what you can do is left click on the empty space once, and then you're going to right click and click ripple delete, and that will close the gap. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll be back with some more videos very soon. See you later.